Hi, a quick word on the sponsor. The video has been sponsored by Dare to Compete and powered by Your First Ad. Dare to Compete is organizing the largest quizzing festival with 70 plus quizzes from premier institutes like IITs and IIMs and a whopping prize money of $1500 plus. OQF 2021 is ready to set the stage on fire. So buckle up and apply for OQF Season 6 before it's too late. The clock is ticking.
Hello everyone, I am Arpan Srivastav and I did my engineering in Information Technology branch from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College AKTU in 2018, and in this video I'll be sharing some of my interview experience with you all. So the first company that visited my campus was Infosys, and Infosys first round was an aptitude round in which they asked basic English comprehension questions and some maths questions and some questions related to your core subjects. So it was a 3-hour round and I was rejected from that round. Then the second company that visited our campus was Newgen. So Newgen first round was like a pressure test round. So I cleared that round with ease. Then the second round was a psychometric round and I got rejected in that round. Then the third company that visited my campus was SCL. So similar to Infosys and Newgen, their first round was an aptitude round and I cleared that round with ease. Then the second round was an coding round. In coding, basically they ask you questions related to data structures and algorithm, and I was not able to clear that. After that, around 8 to 10 companies visited my campus and I was mostly rejected from first and second round only. By the time around 10 to 15 companies visited my campus and most of my friends were already placed in some of the companies. So it was really depressing for me, but I had a great bunch of friends and family which kept me motivated and motivated me to study further and keep applying for different companies. In the meantime, I also started applying for e-litmus exam and I prepared well for that and scored really good marks in that. So now I had the hope that I can go for off-campus placements also and need not to rely only on on-campus placements. In the meantime, a startup-based company which was working on blockchain technology named DLT Labs visited our campus. So first round of DLT Labs was like a pressure test. You had to solve around 120 questions in 60 minutes and the questions were related to your core subjects, coding or general ability questions, English questions. So it was like a pressure test for everyone and I cleared that with little effort. Then the second round was a coding round. It was a pen paper based coding round. So the questions were related to data structures or designing some basic algorithms. Basically, they wanted to test your algorithm and data structure skills. I cleared that round. So out of 400 people which sat for the first round, only 40 were selected for the interview round. And then the third round was the interview round, and here it is how it went.
Hi Arpan, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes. Hello sir, my name is Arpan Srivastava. I am from IT branch and my current BTech percent is 73.5. I am from Lucknow. I am a member of Cloud Computing Cell as well as coordinator in training and placement committee of my college. I code mostly in Python and my field of interest is machine learning and deep learning. I did my internship in data analytics and my final year project is movie dialogue based chatbot which is still in development phase. In my free time I like to sketch and write.
Nice. Okay, so your resume looks pretty impressive. Did you design it yourself?
No sir, I made it using Google Docs.
That's good. So you like sketching, huh?
Yeah.
Can I see some of your sketches?
Sure sir.
Yeah, these are good. These are very nice. I really like the one
Yeah.
where the mother is holding her child. That's really good.
Yes, sir.
So tell me about 4 basic principles of OOPS.
The 4 basic principles of OOPS are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism.
All right. So can you explain me what is inheritance with a code example?
Sure, sir. In inheritance, a child class inherits the property of its parent class. Just a moment. Yes, sir. I have put the code in editor. You can check now.
Sure. Let me just have a look at it. All right. So this looks fine. Do you know any databases?
I'm not so good in databases, but if you want, I'll try to answer your questions.
That's all right. That's all right. Not a problem. So what is your favorite subject?
Sir, you can ask me questions on data structures.
All right. So write a code to print the star pattern, which I have put in the text editor.
Sure, sir. Just give me a moment. Yes, sir. I'm done, sir. Please have a look.
All right, all right. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So this is good. You did like programming.
Yes, sir. I like programming as well as reading technical articles.
So tell me about a recent article which you read.
Yesterday, I read an article stating that a Hong Kong-based company have developed a humanoid named Sophia,
Mm-hmm.
and now that robot wants to have a baby and says that family is really important.
Yeah, that's really interesting, right?
Yes.
So you said that you're building a chatbot. What exactly is it?
Sir, it's a movie dialogue based chatbot
Uh-huh.
that is, it will respond to you using movie dialogues, just like Google Assistant, but at a very small level. We are using natural language processing technique to process the input and convert it into a mathematical equation so that the chatbot can understand it. We are training the model using a data set of 20,000 movies so that it can easily recognize the pattern or the context in which you are talking. We are using long short-term memory network algorithm for training and majorly TensorFlow and other Python libraries for converting human language to machine language.
Okay, that's really interesting. If I ask you to make a language translator using the same model, would you be able to do that?
So in the chatbot, we are doing one-to-one mapping from input to output. But in case of translator, we will be doing many-to-many mapping.
Mm-hmm.
We will train our model on different languages, firstly individual, and then in combination of different languages. Like if you want to translate Mandarin to English, the model will be trained on firstly Mandarin and then English. And when the model is capable enough to understand both, then we can train it using the combination of both.
That's very good. That's very good. I would love to use a chatbot.
Sure, sir, but it's still in development phase.
That's okay. So let's talk about dynamic programming. Are you confident in it?
Yes, sir.
All right, then write a code for the longest common subsequence.
Just give me a moment.
Sure.
Sir, please have a look at this.
Let me have a look. All right. This is all right. So your coding skills are
Thank you,
good.
sir.
Now let's solve some puzzles. So you have two ropes and a lighter,
Hmm.
and each rope has the following property. If you light the one end of the rope, it will take 1 hour to burn to the other end. They don't necessarily burn at a uniform rate. How can you measure a period of 45 minutes?
So we can start like this.
Uh-huh.
Let the two ropes be R1 and R2. Now, both ropes takes 1 hour to complete burn if we light it from one end. So what we can do is double the speed of their burning. We light R1 from both end and R2 from one end. Now when R1 is completely burned out, we know 30 minutes have passed. And now R2 will take another 30 minutes to burn out completely. So we light the other end of R2 and now R2 will burn at double speed and will be burned out in next 15 minutes. In this way, we can measure in 45 minutes.
Very good, very good. That's very good. Okay, so let me ask you another question. If you had a 5-liter bowl and
Okay.
a 3-liter bowl and an unlimited access to water, how would you measure exactly 4 liters of water?
Okay, so sir, we can do like this.
Mhm.
Fill the 5-liter bowl and pour water to the 3-liter bowl, which you can empty afterward.
Mhm.
From the 5-liter bowl, pour the 2 remaining liter to the 3-liter bowl. Refill the 5-liter bowl and fill in the 3-liter bowl. So there stay the 4 required liters in the 5-liter. This way we can measure 4 liters.
All right, that's good. So do you have any questions for me?
Okay, so what are the technology you have currently got?
that I can't disclose, but we have some really cool
Okay.
projects going on. All right, thank you, Arpan.
Okay.
We will let you know the results soon. It was very nice meeting you.
Thank you, sir. Pleasure to meet you.
And don't worry, you'll get placed in some really good companies.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So one of my friend informed me that I have been selected for DLT Labs, and initially it was really surprising for me. I informed my family and friends and they were really happy to hear this news. So I have one message for all those people who are going to sit for the interviews. Never give up on your dreams. No matter how many rejections you face, you just have one task to do, and that is keep working hard. And if you are putting in the hard work with complete honesty, you surely achieve your dreams. And if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you can directly connect with me on LinkedIn. And in the end, I would like to thank the Are You Buzzing team for giving me this opportunity and a platform to share my experience with you all. So thank you everyone.